The last part of human eye at the end of eyeball that we call retina. And we already studied in the beginning that it is a delicate membrane at the inside surface of rear point of eyeball. This is the last part of eyeball, and it acts as a screen where the image is produced. Image of the object we are looking at, it is produced by eye lens. And on this delicate membrane which we call retina, or the screen of our human eye, the important fact is for sensation of vision, retina consists of millions of light sensitive cells these are called rods and cones. Here you can see this is a picture of internal structure of a human eye, and the rear part of this eyeball we call retina, on which the image is produced by the eye lens. Now if we zoom into this retina membrane, we can see at microscopic view there are a lot of cells, so some of which are rod shaped and some of which are conical shaped. And when light falls on these cells, these are photosensitive cells in which electrical impulses are generated due to the light when it falls onto it. And these impulses are carried to the brain, and we are able to see the image. About rod-shaped cells, we can write these are rod-shaped cells which respond to brightness of light. These cells are sensitive for brightness of light, and we can say these are active in bright as well as in dim light conditions, because our eye senses that the light conditions are bright or dim because of these cells, which senses the brightness or intensity of light. When we talk about cone-shaped cells, or which are called cones, we can write these are cone-shaped cells which respond to colors and light. And we know well that we can see colors only when sufficient brightness is there. In darkness we cannot see colors. So here we can write these respond to colors and light and are only active in bright light conditions so that colors can be seen. In dim light or dark zones, cone cells are not activated, so we can only sense the perception of objects in darkness rather than their color properly.